Welcome to 7 Pot Club. I'm Rob.
I grow hot peppers.
I recently discovered an amazing selection of hot pepper products for sale on Etsy. Yes, you heard me right. Etsy, known for personalized crafts and handmade jewelry, offers a terrific selection of spicy merchandise. If you're eager to try new small batch hot sauces, or if you're looking for the perfect gift for a heat fanatic, Etsy has you covered. If you want to sell your own unique hot pepper products, Etsy makes that easy too. In this episode, I'll share some gift ideas for the spice seekers in your life. We'll also meet Etsy seller Tony Recchi of Primal Peppers, and I'll taste his hottest sauce. Let's get started. I was pleasantly surprised by the multitudinous variety of hot pepper related items you can find for sale on Etsy, including actual hot peppers, fresh peppers, dried peppers, live plants, pepper flakes, pepper powders, pepper seeds, ristras, and wreaths. You'll find them all for sale here. As you might expect, there are craft hot sauces and salsas of all heat levels and flavor profiles. Want to spice up your next event? How about personalized hot sauce wedding and party favors? Looking for a unique gift for a hot sauce fanatic? The Flavors of the World Hot Sauce Sampler is a gift box with 30 different sample-size sauces inspired by flavors from around the world. Or, if you're buying for a do-it-yourself type, you can choose from a number of hot sauce making kits. Plus, there are oodles of other consumables like hot mustard, Carolina Reaper candy, spicy hot chocolate mix, hot honey, jams, jellies, tinctures, and much more. You'll be browsing for hours. Real hot pepper fanatics are not just about eating peppers. Many want to share their love of spice by decorating their body and every surface of their home with images and objects that celebrate their obsession. There are so many options that I can't possibly list them all, but you'll find socks, posters, porcelain peppers, greeting cards, note cards, pet tags, canning labels, chili trophies, stickers, decals, rubber stamps, cupcake toppers, stencils, fabrics, party favors. Oh, and jewelry. A few months back, I scored these red ghost pepper stud earrings. Let me show you a few more really unique items I found. If you know the kind of person who always needs to have hot sauce close at hand, here's a personalized custom leather hot sauce holder that you can strap to your belt. How about a tiny charred oak barrel for making your own barrel-aged hot sauces at home? You can even have it custom engraved. If you're looking for something a little less expensive, check out this red chili pepper evil eye protection magnet. I am personally interested in trying out these organic seed starter pots. They're made from 100% recycled paper and are advertised as being both sturdy and biodegradable. Might be a good alternative to the fabric seedling bags I've been using. Of course, on Etsy, the product lineup changes constantly. If you're watching this video weeks or months after I filmed it, some of these items may no longer be available. But with so many sellers, thousands of items are added daily. So check back often to see what's new. Now, I'd like to introduce you to my friend Tony from Primal Peppers.
I'm Tony from Primal Peppers, and I have an Etsy store. Wanted to do something other than just like farmers markets, so I use my social media accounts to kind of drive people to my store, and that's kind of where you can purchase my hot sauces and mustards and powders and other spices. They're all handmade craft products, and yeah, I hope you enjoy them.
Tony tells me the Etsy community is very helpful, sharing selling tips and tricks and encouraging new sellers. Here I have some of the products Primal Peppers sells on Etsy: Scotch Bonnet Beer Mustard, Scary Berry and Venomous Pleasure hot sauces, and Tikka Tikka all-purpose Indian spice. Tony makes these all at home with the highest quality ingredients. Venomous Pleasure is his hottest sauce, so that's the one I'll taste today. The ingredient list reads as follows: white vinegar, organic pepper mash with Griff Reaper, Moruga Red Monster, and Apocalypse Scorpion peppers, honey, honey roasted garlic, avocado oil, sea salt, and orange peel. It's extremely cool that I also know the guy who grew all the peppers for this sauce. Griff from Twin Cities Peppers sells hot pepper plants alongside me every year at our neighborhood plant sale. The label states that super hot pepper mash makes up over a third of the contents of the bottle, so I expect it will be pretty hot. We'll give it a good shake, then have a taste. There we go. Wow. You know I love the hottest sauces, and this sauce is really hot. You know, I grew that Griff Reaper, and I know how hot that pepper is. If you like really hot sauce, you're gonna love this one. Primal Peppers is a great example of the high quality small batch products available on Etsy. And you can read reviews from other buyers to help guide your purchasing decisions. But I'll give you my review right now. This sauce tastes like peppers. You know, my favorite sauces are the sauces that give me the taste of the peppers that I love, and just enough other flavors to complement the taste of the peppers, and this nails it. I guarantee this bottle is going to be empty in, probably less than a week. Now it's time for you to explore the full range of spicy products on Etsy. I've barely skimmed the surface of what's available. There's a lot more than what I've had time to show you in this video. When you shop on Etsy, please use the links in the description or just go to 7pot.club/Etsy and start exploring. As an Etsy affiliate, we'll earn a few coins to help support this channel. Thanks. If you enjoy our content and would like to see more, you can help us grow by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and tapping the bell to be notified when we post new episodes. Check out all our merch at 7pot.club/merch. If you'd like a free 7pot Club membership card and stickers, get the details at 7pot.club/card. And for even more 7pot Club, follow our daily exploits on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. For 7pot Club, I'm Rob.